In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use progress invoicing in QuickBooks Online. Progress invoicing is a powerful tool that allows you to bill your customers in stages as work on a project is completed. Whether you're collecting deposits upfront, billing for specific phases, or invoicing based on milestones, this feature helps you streamline your billing process and keep track of payments with ease. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description below to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive right into the steps to enable and use progress invoicing. First, you'll want to make sure the feature is turned on. To do this, click the gear icon located in the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This will open the Settings menu. From there, select Account and Settings from the drop-down options. Once you're in the Account and Settings menu, click on the Sales tab, which you'll find on the left-hand panel. Scroll down through the settings until you reach the section labeled Progress Invoicing. When you find it, click the Edit button within that section. This will allow you to make changes. You'll see an option to turn the Progress Invoicing feature on. Simply switch it on, then click Save to confirm your changes. Once that's done, click Done in the bottom right corner to exit the Settings menu. If you don't see the Progress Invoicing option appear right away, don't worry. Just refresh your browser and it should be all set. Now that the feature is enabled, let's create a progress invoice. Start by clicking the New button located in the top left corner of your dashboard. From the options that appear, select Invoice to open a new invoice template. The first step in creating the invoice is to add your customer's name. This ensures the invoice is tied to the correct client. Once the customer is selected, add the products or services you're billing for. Be sure to include clear and detailed descriptions of each item so your client knows exactly what they're being invoiced for. Next, review the amount listed for each line item. This is where you'll decide how much of the total to bill at this stage. Choose the percentage you want to bill for each line item. For example, you might invoice for 25%, 50%, or even a custom percentage depending on how much work has been completed. To make things even clearer for your client, use the description fields to specify what this portion of the invoice covers. For instance, you might note that it's for an initial deposit or for work completed during the first phase of the project. If you're invoicing for multiple line items and the progress rates differ, adjust the percentages for each line individually. This ensures accuracy and transparency across the entire invoice. Once you've reviewed everything and confirmed the details are correct, finalize the invoice and click Save to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully created a progress invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.